as far as I know, that's never really happened, where the two major parties have been completely trumped by two parties that we didn't really think was going to
take over.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do, yeah. It's not what it used to be. Things are changing, people are evolving, everything just going with the times, you know. It's gone a bit crazy, you know what I mean? Everything, the world's just going down. It's a downfall, you know what I mean?
There's been quite a lot of different things. But I guess it's good to see. I mean, if you look around, this place isn't doing too well at the moment. So it'd be good to have some changes. Hopefully bring some better things in, do you know what I mean?
I'm actually like Labour because my family do what they stand for. But honestly, if you would say, like, out of this generation we have here, we are experiencing so much drama and, like, the Caerphilly stuff, the politics. It is a really good learning curve that we are experiencing at this young age.